Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today I screwed up so bad. Have you ever had one of those days to where you're really putting in the work on trying to just get a video done, or not even just a video, just to get something done, and by the time you get the thing done, all of it just has to be thrown out? That was me when producing today's video. I was gonna make a video on no-tip orders and how an UberEats driver was accepting no-tip orders. I'll leave the article in the description because I feel like it'd be wasted if it's not in there, because I feel like I put in so much work on this. But in the process of that, I made a mistake, and I kept saying that I didn't want to put TikToks in the video specifically for this reason. But everybody kept asking for the actual TikToks in the videos, and I finally caved, and it was working pretty well. And of course, I got one that got me slammed with the copyright. Thankfully, I didn't actually post it, so I just deleted the thing, and before it even went up, so it's fine. It's not like my account is truly affected. It was just like, all right, now you just can't, post it, which would be at this point. Basically, I had to throw out the entire video that I put in pretty much all day today. Between work, between putting that TV back up because the other one literally burnt. I don't even know how the thing just exploded on the inside, but I think it's just a Florida thing where things just explode internally. How with the heat and everything else, but I don't know. Never had this problem in New York, I'm just saying. Either way, I feel bad because this guy actually made a really good video. He had a good TikTok, but I just can't post it, and I don't want things like this to affect my account. I'm always so paranoid about it to where I'm always double, triple, quadruple checking that I'm not gonna get a copyright hit, and lo and behold, I got the copyright hit. Always do your due diligence before doing something, because you never know when the day's gonna come when you put in all that work and bam, can't even you actually capitalize on it because that's what ended up happening. So just make sure you do your due diligence and don't goof up like I did. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.